Unlike the rest of us, you water signs are the most sensitive. When we're talking about people that are inhumane or people that are quote unquote evil, we're talking about someone that doesn't have basic human sensitivity and compassion, right? Water signs are the opposite of that. They feel everything. Water signs are basically borderline psychic. They can pick up on the emotions of others so easily without even trying to. That gives you an unfair advantage in life that the rest of us can simply not compete with. In addition to that strong intuition and strong sensitivity to other people's feelings, you also have this ability to be comfortable with your own vulnerability, which is huge because for most of us who are not water signs, that is frightening, let me tell you. Deeply frightening to experience our own vulnerability that up close and to be, oh, dare I say it, comfortable with it. Even saying it makes me recoil as a fire sign. That's like the opposite of what a fire sign is made to be. The beauty of those traits, though, is that it makes you truly the best at manifesting out of the entire zodiac. You are always feeling something. You know when the vibe is good and you know when the vibe is not good. And nobody can confuse you about that because you understand it so crystal clear. You are the most effective at manifesting because you know when to push in and when to pull out. You are also the one who cares the most. You're also the one who is best suited to manipulate any kind of emotionally or spiritually chaotic environment because you are in tune with yourself. You know, the depth to which we understand ourselves is always directly correlated with the depths to which we understand other people. Because you're not afraid of yourself and your own emotions, it's very easy for you to understand other people and connect with other people on that vibration. You being cautious and being in your own energy and just staying true to that. And I think it makes you great at being able to read a room and read the people in that room. It's a beautiful thing. You're so lucky.